Hey lovies, welcome to American History 202. My name is Stephanie Allen, and I am going to be your instructor for the duration of the semester. So we are going to walk through our Blackboard course shell and just get acclimated with the class. So first thing first, this class, American History 202, is going to cover from the end of the Civil War to the present day times. All right, this course is a distance learning course, so there are no on-site meetings. All assignments will be found in Blackboard and all assignments must be submitted via Blackboard. Assignments have a specific due date. You are not penalized for early submissions, but late submissions will be penalized. It's imperative that you manage your time wisely. So late book quizzes and discussion boards will only receive 50% credit, and late exams will receive a 20-point penalty. In order to have your attendance verified, it is imperative that you complete the syllabus quiz. Attendance has to be verified for financial aid purposes. Both the syllabus and the syllabus quiz are located under this Start Here tab. Again, my name is Stephanie Allen. I'm an adjunct here at Calhoun. I teach history and geography full-time at Alabama A&M University. I'm looking forward to having a wonderful semester with you. If you need additional information that's not detailed on the syllabus, please email me at stephanie.allen@calhoun.edu. Let's have a great semester. The name of your textbook is posted below, and it's entitled The American Pageant, Volume 2. It's the 17th edition. You are not required to have an access code to access the Cengage component associated with the book. We will only use the book. We will only utilize Blackboard to submit assignments. And I'm going to show you a substitute textbook that you are more than welcome to use. So over on the left-hand side of the page, there's a tab that says Start Here. Please click it. From there, we'll scroll down, and here is your syllabus. It's a hot link, so if you click this document, it will open up as a Microsoft Word document. You must submit the syllabus quiz in order for me to verify your attendance. Here is the syllabus quiz. Once you click the once you click the quiz will deploy. You may not exit the quiz. Make sure that you have read the syllabus carefully prior to your submission of this quiz, please. So complete the syllabus quiz, and here's the textbook link for an older edition of the American Pageant. I don't need you to have a new textbook. I don't need you to have an access code. Like, this is fine. I'm fine with this. So if you go to Mr. Locicero's textbook, it actually gives us all of the chapters, and it's his AP American History, textbook. Sometimes the chapters line up and sometimes they don't. So this one says American Pageant 21. It's the furnace of the Civil War, which means you're going to start on chapter 22 for if you're utilizing Mr. Locicero's textbook. See? Ordeal of Reconstruction. What you'll notice about me is that I tend to give you notes in outline format. So we talked about the problem of peace in our first micro lecture, and then I give you Freedmen Define Freedom as another subtitle in our first micro lecture. All right, so that's your textbook. Let's continue to explore let's continue to explore. So we got the start here. Here's a list of important due dates. So everything has a due date in this course. You are not allowed to submit assignments after these deadlines without receiving a penalty. Everything rolls out in a unit. So as of right now, unit 1 is up. It's live. So book quizzes 21, 23, and 24 are associated with unit 1. And then, of course, exam 1 is associated with unit 1. It covers 21, 22, 23. There are 3 discussion boards. Each unit does not have a discussion board. Only the first 3 units have a discussion board. Discussion boards are not optional. Students are required to submit discussions. So let's go ahead and get into the chapter modules. I'll show you how these are set up. So chapter modules are consistent. The name of the chapter is listed. You click into it, it gives you a list of key terms. If you scroll down, your book quiz is also posted under the chapter module. And then this is your micro lecture. So this is a link. You see that? That's a link. Click the link and it will take you to my YouTube page and I will run through the chapter. So in the chapter, it includes slides and it's supposed to be the equivalent of an in-person lecture. I do them in micro lectures because they're easier to digest that way and they're easier for my students to kind of move through. So micro lectures 2, 3, and 4 are also available within this chapter 21 module. Your exams, because they cover multiple chapters, cannot be posted under the individual modules. So chapter 21, the book quiz for that is going to be posted under the corresponding module. Chapter 23's book quiz is going to be posted under the chapter 23 book quiz module. Exams are multiple chapters, so they will be posted under an exam tab. Once you click on the exam, you must begin. It will deploy and you cannot leave. Like you can't leave and return to complete the exam. Discussion boards. You are required to submit 3 discussion boards. So I give you 2 questions and you may pick one. If you answer both questions, that does not mean that you have done 2 discussion boards. No, that means you did 1. And I'll take the best one, but you don't get double credit for doing both questions associated with discussion board 1. So I think that is all I need to show you. Here's a study guide. And I posted these as your key terms, but you have access to this in case you need it. But mostly it's key terms just being repeated. So if you have any additional questions after you've read the syllabus, please don't hesitate to email me at stephanie.allen@calhoun.edu. Be mindful of your due dates. If you need to, please put reminders in your phone so you remember to submit on time. I'm looking forward to having a great semester with you. Have a great day. Bye.